Hi everybody, I'm Christopher, the guy behind the cameras, Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars, and this is a gorgeous 1961 Corvette, and it is in a beautiful jewel blue exterior. Look at it. Would you look at it?
I'm looking at it.
It's got a white top. It's got black interior. It's a 4-speed Borg Warner, which is awesome, and this is a numbers matching 283 cubic inch V8. That's a small block for you kids playing along at home. Absolutely gorgeous car. I love this blue, Jake.
Yeah, one of the biggest steering wheels you'll ever see on a car.
Yes, Jake's gonna drive it today because my leg hurts, so I can barely get in the thing. We are gonna pop that trunk too. Jake, you got those keys?
I do have the keys, they're in my pocket.
Because we do have a trunk.
We do have a trunk on the C1. The C2 has a similar rear end look, but it put the trunk by the wayside.
All right, here we go. Ooh.
There you go.
Look, it is an actual trunk.
There's the beautiful trunk. You got your floor mats back here. You actually got a lot of space.
You do for
not too bad at all. It's in great condition, this car, by the way.
Oh God, it's gorgeous.
The paint is fantastic, and then if you put the trunk down, you have the cool Corvette badge back here. Gold with the flags, of course.
The flags.
It is a manual top in 61. It's very easy to do. I've done it by myself twice now. There's pictures of it up. If you want to see the top in the booth, it's in great condition as well. Go to www.fastlanecars.com. You can see those there, but right now we're just gonna take a quick look around it, start it up here in a minute so you can hear it, and then we're gonna take it for a spin. Yeah, the T10 Borg Warner 4-speed, AM radio. You got the tack.
Oh, wow.
And then there's the numbers matching 283 that Chris has nicely opened the hood for.
Look, it's got a Harrison Ford aluminum radiator, or just Harrison.
Yeah, it's just a Harrison aluminum radiator, which is nice. These came in multiple horsepower options. I believe it was all the 283. 230 was the lowest. This has 230 on the valve cover. So I'm assuming this is a 230 horse car.
Let's go for that.
Which is perfectly fine because this car, you know, it's not that heavy. It's quite small. It's peppy. I test drove it a few hours ago. It's been sitting so we can do a cold start. But it is not slow by any means. And look, this little cowl opens.
Oh,
I opened that earlier. It's the vent under the floor in case you want some fresh air because we don't have air conditioning. No. We won't need it today. It's very nice outside, but you know, that's how you funnel fresh, cool air.
Freshness. Oh, very nice. Put on those lights, Jakey. Oh, very nice, very nice. There's the left, let's do the right. Perfect. We're gonna go around front now. Look how beautiful it is. This color is amazing. Perfect. Now the lights look great. Look at how beautiful it is. Look at the color combo. I love it. Let's get in and now drive it, shall we?
We shall.
Here we go. Here we go. Oh, I love this. See, this part's great for me in a C1.
Chris in the passenger seat.
Loving it.
Got some extra legroom over there.
And I need legroom for as tall as I am.
And I like driving the C1, so.
It's your favorite thing to do.
You don't have to point that at me because we have this camera.
I'm pointing it right at your face.
But you can show the dashboard.
Isn't that beautiful?
All the cool stuff. It says Corvette up here.
Just so you remember
behind
what you're
in. You
know what.
The oh shit handle is what I was trying to say.
There you go, Jay.
The oh you know what handle is what I like to call it because I don't like to say the S word, but this is what you grab, you know, when I'm driving a little too crazy.
He's not gonna though, folks.
Down here you got your Wunderbar AM radio.
Wunderbar.
Clock, your fan controller for your defroster. In the front, there's some vents up there for that. You have one speaker.
Just one, that's all you need.
Up here on the dash, then you got your mirror up here as well.
What about that tack?
Here, let me show the tack.
Show the tack and the beautiful instrumentation panel.
Battery there and oil pressure on the right side, which is fantastic. Tack in the middle, temp and fuel on the left, and then it is a functioning tack right now.
Don't you love it?
Fantastic. And you got your horn button there that says Chevrolet Corvette, of course. And you got your 4-speed shifter down here and a nice horn.
Very nice horn, very nice.
I like a Borg Warner T10 4-speed too.
Who doesn't?
Can't go wrong with that.
Hey guys, how are you?
We had a lot of people coming in looking at cars today. We had a rally come through earlier.
We did.
There were a lot of cool cars.
Look at that Honda right there. That's gorgeous.
That's your car.
196,000.
You always talk about how gorgeous it is.
I'm still in love with it.
It is a nice car. I'll give you that.
Thank you very little. All right, here we go. We're off like a dirty shirt. Oh, there's another one. That's a Mustang. That is a very odd year Mustang. Oh, there's a
Torino?
Torino, or is it the the Torino? It could be the Super Sport.
There's Buick, I think.
I think it is.
There's a lot of cars coming by today. The
They're all
rally is
part of
still
that rally.
happening.
I am putting my hat on backwards because I don't know what Jake's going to do.
It's a good idea. But we're having our own little rally right now
Just by ourselves.
in the C1 Corvette. We do have Posi rear gears,
Oh,
370s
yes. 370s are nice.
with Posi, which is nice.
I love the old Borg Warner.
Not that we're going to be doing burnouts,
Good.
but we could. You see, this is plenty of horsepower for this car.
All you need, and it's just a gorgeous car.
Goes up the hill smooth like butter,
Like butter.
and it looks good doing it.
Like a big stick of butter.
This is maybe my favorite C1 combination as far as colors go.
Oh, the jewel blue.
Jewel
It's
blue,
gorgeous.
white Coves, and a white top with black interior.
And look, it's American. Just like
Yes.
those flags.
Memorial Day weekend's coming up. We got flags all over the place. And this is the car to be in for Memorial Day weekend.
Absolutely. Wish we could take it home, but we can't. We have to
Fourth
sell
gear.
it.
Very nice. We're going 45 miles an hour, little under 2,000 RPM.
That's amazing. What a great
370
car.
gears are pretty aggressive.
It doesn't feel that bad, don't it? It doesn't sound like it's really...
No, I mean, it feels amazing. We're cruising nicely.
It's a Corvette.
It is a Corvette.
Gotta love a Corvette.
We're going in a straight line. Look at that.
Straight as an arrow.
Straight as an arrow. Can't complain about that.
Nope. My shirt's color coordinated with this car. It's jewel blue.
My jeans are color coordinated, I guess.
There you go. Except for that spot right there. Let's not talk about that.
I do like the mirror on the dashboard. That
Look,
is
there's
very
Jake.
cool. Yeah, it's me.
Oh, look at this.
Non-droopy visors.
Non-droops.
They're even up here in the wind and they're not drooping.
You know, that's pretty impressive.
That's fantastic. These little latches back here are what latch the top down.
You can see them.
And there's latches in the front as well. The latches for the front are attached to the top. And then there's these little chrome rings that get caught by these in the back that hold it down in the rear.
Those are the chrome rings. Oh, here's a biker.
Again, it's very easy to do by yourself, the manual top. It's not heavy at all.
No.
We only have one side mirror because they didn't care about the other side mirror back in 1961.
What do I need to see? Oh,
You don't need
good
to see
gravy.
anything.
What is that? That
Look
is
at
the worst looking color. Oh my God.
Oh, it's a teal Cybertruck.
Ugh.
But you don't need that many mirrors because everyone is behind you in the C1.
Exactly.
And why would you want to look at them? Your car's the best looking.
Amen.
It's so buttery smooth.
It's buttery.
The 283 is a wonderful engine.
I think it's perfect for
My
what
friend
this
has
is.
a Malibu with a 283.
And
It's
he
like
still got it in there.
It's like a sewing machine. Why would you take it out?
You wouldn't.
And the T10, very nice.
The Indianapolis 500s this weekend, and that's the name of their trophy, the Borg Warner Trophy.
You know, the C2 is an amazing driving car. The very early C1s, I'll be honest, they drive like old cars. The
Same.
later into the C1 you get here in 61, it's starting to drive like a C2.
Yep.
Very
Better.
smooth, nice shifting, good clutch feel, good brakes. We do have drums.
Not shifting action.
The drums are just fine.
Oh, they're fine.
And
We're
the
not
ones on
going
this
that
car
fast.
stop very well. And we're at the bean test. I'm gonna have to get past the bump in the road. And then we'll do the bean test. Do second gear.
All right. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Give her a bean. Nice.
Very nice, and we're caught up to the truck.
We really did catch up pretty quick. I mean, it's a C1. It's a 61. That is not a young car. It's 64 years old. Oh, my God.
I don't think that's good math, but I'll let you have it.
Well,
It's 2026, so
I
it's
was
probably
born
a
in
5 at the end of that. At the end of the age.
I am 54. I was born in 71. 64.
Oh, it depends on what month it was made, I guess.
Oh, I guess. My Lord
But
have mercy.
I'll tell you one thing, where it was made is right here in St. Louis.
Right where I was made.
I was also made here.
I was born here.
Yes.
Can you believe it?
But yeah, these were built in St. Louis for a while before they moved to Bowling Green in
Kentucky.
the 70s or 80s they moved?
1980s, actually 82, I believe.
Yeah, I
That
think the
was it.
C4 was the generation that kind of
Really started there. Yeah, they have 183, and that's still there. That 183 down at the museum.
Huh.
That's it.
But yeah, this
Right.
is a great car.
Yeah, I love it. I just love everything about
Runs
it.
and drives amazing. I'm going to give you the mic now, and I'm going to do a couple flybys.
I'll take your mic. but you don't have to move seats. Can you clip that on me?
Sure.
Here he goes. Love the rear. Look at that. Oh, so nice. There he goes. So it's not the loudest car in the world, but I guess it's not supposed to. It's a C1. Sounds good. Oh, there he's got him. Beautiful car. Good Lord.
Chris?
Jake?
It's a beautiful driving car.
Jake, it doesn't make a whole lot of noise, but you know, it's a C1.
It's beautiful blue. You can hear it from in here. Trust me, with the top down, sounds fantastic.
It's a beautiful car. It's a work of art, honestly.
You can't really fault it. You know, there's no power steering, but you got the steering wheel the size of a pirate ship, so it doesn't really matter. Turns fantastic, drives fantastic, buttery smooth.
Buttery.
And you look good doing it.
It's a wonderful car.
It is wonderful. You ready to take it back?
Stain right on your pants. Look at it.
Yeah, I know,
see it?
I know.
Get it fixed. Take care of yourself. All right, guys, we're going to take it back.
Let's go.
It is beautiful.